Kumain ka na ng tanghalian, hindi ba? You have eaten lunch, haven't you? Sumama ka sa kanya kung gusto mo. You may go with him or her if you like. Ikaw lang ang makakagawa noon. You're the only one who can do it. Maaari ka bang tumawag ulit mamaya? Could you call again later? Malaki ang tiwala niya sa kanyang sarili. He has a lot of confidence in himself. Kailangan ko ng mga papel. Mayroon ka ba? I need papers. Do you have any? Nakilala ko agad ang boses mo. I recognized your voice right away. Akala ko makikilala mo agad ako. I thought you would recognize me immediately. Mahirap bang magtiwala sa hindi mo kakilala? Is it hard to trust a stranger? Wala siyang kaalam-alam sa nangyayari. She is not aware of what's happening. Yun talaga ang gusto niyang gawin sa ngayon. That's what she really wants to do for now. Humihingi kami ng paumanhin sa nangyari. We apologized for what has happened. Nakatanggap ako ng liham mula sa kanya. I received a letter from him or her. Gusto niyang humingi ng paumanhin. She wanted to ask for forgiveness. Nasa sayo kung tatanggapin mo yon. It's up to you if you'll accept it. Wala tayong sikreto sa isa't isa. We don't have secrets to each other. Ano man ang gawin mo, huwag kang makakalimot magdasal. Whatever you do, don't forget to pray. Gusto ko lang ng malinaw na usapan. I just want an explicit conversation. Marami na ang nagbago sa lugar na ito. This place has a lot of changes. Dito ko sinimulang buuin ang pangarap ko. This is where I started creating my dream. Hindi ko maisip kung saan ako nagsimula. I can't figure out where I started. Ngayon alam ko na kung para saan yon. Now I know what's that for. Wala nang ibang paraan para makaiwas. There's no way to avoid. Binigyan mo ako ng dahilan para maging matatag. You gave me reason to be strong. Sigurado ako na walang mangyayari sa'yo. I'm sure nothing will happen to you.